Good morning, students. I am Professor mureed Abbas Seyal Bhakkar. Today, we have to study what is ionic bond. First of all, you will be aware from the definition ionic bond. The complete transfer of electron from one atom to another is called ionic bond. You know very well that group 1 elements and group 2 elements are electropositive. They are called metals. They have tendency to lose electron and form positive ion called cation. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals and group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. Because they are metals, they have tendency to lose electron or to lose electron, and they form positive ion. They form positive ion. For example, sodium has electronic configuration 281. In K shell 2 electron, in L shell 8 electron, and in M shell 1 electron. So sodium cannot gain 7 electron at a time from any atom. So it has tendency to lose 1 electron from the valence shell. So sodium will lose 1 electron from the valence shell. Before losing electron, it had 11 electrons. Its atomic number is 11. But when it loses electron, its remaining electrons are 10, and it forms positive ion, Na positive ion, and this ion has 10 electrons, 2 in the first shell and 8 in the last shell. So its octet is complete. Its valence shell has 8 electrons, and in this way, after losing 1 electron, it becomes cation, positive ion, having 10 electrons. On the other hand, these groups, group 1 and 2, they form bonds with group 15, 16 and 17. You know that chlorine atom have 17 electrons, and these are non-metal. This is non-metal, and this is electronegative. It has 17 electron, 2 in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, and 7 in the last shell. So it has tendency to accept 1 electron from any other atom, and to complete its octet, and in the third shell, so as to complete electron 8. When it gains 1 electron, its electron becomes 18 instead of 17, because it has accepted 1 electron. Because it has accepted 1 electron, so it becomes electronegative and it becomes anion. Cation has positive charge, anion has negative charge. When sodium cation comes with the chlorine anion, Na positive comes with the Cl negative, these ions attract each other and form between the positive ion and negative ion is called ionic bond, because it is formed between the ions. Positive ion and negative ion mutually form ionic bond. Because this is formed by the complete transfer of electron from sodium to chlorine, so this bond is called ionic bond. So first of all, you have to define ionic bond. Then you have to explain that group 1 and 2, these groups are electropositive, and group 15 and 16, 17, these are electronegative, they gain electron. So both form ions. Group 1 and 2 form positive ion, group 15, 16 and 17 form negative ion. When positive ion and negative ion come each other, they attract each other and a bond is formed between them uh, because sodium is electropositive and chlorine is electronegative. The bond formed between two ions is called ionic bond, and this is formed due to transfer of electrons from one atom to another, so this is called ionic bond. And NaCl, this compound is called sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is an example of ionic bond. Students, you have to learn it and write it in the homework, and I will check your homework. Tomorrow I shall also take oral test of this topic. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.